Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine, ma'am. Thank you.
Please tell me about your work experience.
Yeah, I actually previously I worked as a receptionist in a saloon in Dubai Marina for 3 months. And then before that, I worked as a customer service representative in a double-decker bus. And way back home in the Philippines, I worked as a call center agent in Teletech. Then I worked also as an executive secretary in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia.
Can you tell me what were your duties and responsibilities while on the job?
As a secretary, I do all secretarial jobs, doing administration. Then, as a customer service representative, I always attend to customers' inquiries and then help them to deal with any concern that they have, as well as the receptionist.
And how long did you work with them with your last job being a receptionist?
3 months.
Why only 3 months? Why you did not continue your contract?
Actually, the owner decided to not continue my agreement because she will be closing soon.
Okay. And how much salary are you looking for?
From 1,700. uh,
What is your favorite task? It is cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
Actually, all of them.
And what type of food can you cook?
Asian. eh, Maybe I will learn how to cook any
Okay.
food as well.
Okay. How do you clean a bathroom?
Remove all the things, scrub, vacuum, and map.
What is infectants you are using in cleaning a toilet bowl?
Dettol.
In terms of babysitting, how do you know if the baby is sick?
If he kept on crying,
Okay.
he is irritated.
Okay. And if the employer is not in the house and the child got sick, what is the first thing that you would do?
Check what he is feeling, and then check if you have available medicine. Then inform the parents.
Do you consider yourself lucky and why?
Lucky, first of all, because I'm alive. I have kids. I have family.
And what are your hobbies?
Cooking, then singing.
What is your favorite song?
As of now, it's The Heart of Worship. It's a Christian song.
How long do you want to work here in UAE for? How many years?
Approximately 5 years and above.
Do you think you would be a good full-time housemaid or nanny to your new employer?
I will be.
Why?
Um, as a nanny, I believe I can do my job since I am a mother of two. I'm a hands-on mother actually. So I believe I can be able to take care any child.
Okay, thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.